Hey friends, here's a fun Guess the Vegetable quiz video I created using Canva and royalty-free music. It's super easy to make once you get the hang of Canva. And yes, you can do it too. If you're interested in creating videos like this for kids, learning, or just for fun, follow my channel for tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Let's learn, create, and grow together. Watch, enjoy, and try it yourself. Like, share, subscribe.
Welcome, young explorers. Are you ready to embark on a veggie adventure? Let's dive into the colorful world of vegetables and discover their wonders. This vegetable is crunchy and orange. It's excellent for your eyesight and is packed with vitamin A, which helps you see in the dark. Can you guess its name? Carrot. Carrots are not only good for your eyes, but also for your skin and immune system. Eating carrots regularly can make you stronger and help you see better in the dark, just like a superhero. This vegetable has green, bushy tops and sturdy stalks. It's often called the little trees because of its appearance. Do you know its name? Broccoli. Broccoli is a super veggie. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that make your bones strong and keep you healthy. Eating broccoli helps you grow taller and stronger, just like your favorite superheroes. This vegetable is red and juicy. It's often used to make ketchup and sauces. Can you guess what it is? Tomato. Tomatoes are full of powerful antioxidants that keep your heart healthy and strong. Eating tomatoes can help you run faster and play longer without getting tired. This vegetable comes in different colors like red, green, and yellow. It's crunchy and sweet. Can you name it? Bell pepper. Bell peppers are like nature's candy. They're not only delicious, but also packed with vitamin C, which helps keep your skin glowing and your immune system strong. So, munch on some bell peppers to stay healthy and happy. This vegetable has dark green leaves and is often eaten in salads or cooked in dishes like pasta. It's Popeye the sailor's favorite food. Do you know what it is? Spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's full of iron, which makes your muscles strong and helps you run faster. Eating spinach can make you as strong as Popeye and ready to tackle any adventure that comes your way. This vegetable is green and refreshing. It's often sliced and added to salads or eaten as a crunchy snack. Can you name it? Cucumber. Cucumbers are mostly water, which helps keep you hydrated, especially on hot days. Eating cucumbers can also make your skin glow and keep you feeling cool and refreshed. This vegetable is brown and starchy. It's often baked, mashed, or fried and served as a side dish. Can you guess what it is? Potato. Potatoes are a great source of energy. They're packed with carbohydrates that give you the fuel you need to play, run, and have fun all day long. So, enjoy some potatoes to keep your energy levels high. This vegetable has crisp green leaves and is often used as a base for salads or sandwiches. It's crunchy and refreshing. Can you name it? Lettuce. Lettuce is low in calories, but high in fiber, which helps keep your tummy happy and your digestion smooth. Eating lettuce can also keep you feeling full and satisfied, so you don't snack on unhealthy foods. This vegetable has white, fluffy florets and is often used as a healthier alternative to rice or mashed potatoes. Can you name it? Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be used to make all sorts of yummy dishes, from pizza crust to buffalo wings. Eating cauliflower can help you explore new flavours and textures while staying healthy. This vegetable has golden kernels and is often grilled or boiled and served as a side dish. It's sweet and delicious. Can you guess what it is? Corn. Corn is full of fibre, which keeps your digestive system healthy and helps prevent tummy troubles. Eating corn can also make you feel fuller for longer, so you don't snack as much between meals.